Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to keep certain observations from a variable while deleting other observations from a variable in Stata. So let's look at the data set first. In my data set, it's a longitudinal data set. As you can see, it is from 2016 to 2022. So the ID variable, which is the districts, come for 7 times here. So we are gonna keep the value for 2016 only, okay, while deleting all other years from here. So that we just get the value for our dependent variable, which is this, for 2016, okay, and deleting all these observations up to 2022. Okay, so let me show how we do this in Stata. So write the command keep if we have the year variable, drag it here, and 2 times equal sign equal um, 2016. So we are commanding Stata to keep observation uh, only for 2016. So hit enter, and 883 observations deleted. So now if you see your data set, you see that only 2016 is retained. A hard tool only one time. All districts comes one time for 2016 and values for one time. So this is how we're gonna use keep command to retain certain observations of a variable and deleting other observations from your variable. So you can do also, now in our data set we have 2016. So you can also use the drop command to do the same thing. You can say drop instead of the keep, and drop certain years from your data set. So the same thing, I'll demonstrate it to you now. So let's load the data fast again. So same thing, we have data from 2016 to 2022. Now we're going to use a drop command. Drop if year equal uh, 2017, and use this bar sign. 2018, use this bar sign. 2019, use this bar sign. 2020, use this bar sign. 2021, use this bar sign, and 2022, and hit enter. You can also write years is greater than 2017, so that way it's also possible. But now let's hit enter and see what happens. It didn't work, so we're gonna upload it again, load the data again. Okay, so I'm gonna show just one year. Drop year equal 20. Drop year if year starts with capital letter, year is greater than 2017. Let's see what happens. Invalid syntax. Okay, so let's try for we are gonna drop just 1 year, 2017. Okay, so remove it from here. Okay, this looks good. Drop if year is greater than 2017. So yeah, so anything greater than 2017 were removed. Only 2016 and 2017 is here. So now we can write the same command, greater than 2016. Okay, so now we only have the data for 2016. Okay, so don't write year 2 times, only year 1 time. Drop if year is greater than 2016. So this is the same as using the command keep. So yeah, that's how we use keep or drop command to delete certain observations while keeping certain observations of a variable in Stata. Thanks for watching.